26 minutes and 40 seconds from a launch pad in the Soviet Union to the East Coast.
Mm-hmm.
And it happens in 3 phases. Very simple and interesting to remember, because then suddenly all of this makes more sense. Boost phase, mid-course phase, and then terminal phase. Okay. Boost phase, 5 minutes. That's when the rocket launches. So you just imagine a rocket going off the launch pad and the fire beneath it. Again, that's why the satellites can see it. Okay. Now it's becoming visual. Now it makes sense to me, right? 5 minutes. And that's where the rocket can be tracked. And then imagine learning, wait a minute, after 5 minutes, the rocket can no longer be seen from space. The satellite can only see the hot rocket exhaust. Then the missile enters its mid-course phase, 20 minutes. And that's the ballistic part of it, where it's kind of flying up at between 500 and 700 miles above the Earth
Mm-hmm.
and moving very fast and with the Earth until it gets very close to its target. And the last 100 seconds are terminal phase. It's where the warhead re-enters the atmosphere and detonates.
So how long does it take for a missile to reach the East Coast of the United States from a submarine?
A nuclear-armed, nuclear-powered submarine is as dangerous to civilization as an asteroid, okay? They are unstoppable. They are unlocatable. The former chief of the nuclear submarine forces, Admiral Michael Connor, told me it's easier to find a grapefruit-sized object in space than a submarine under the sea. Okay. So these things are like hell machines, and they're moving around throughout the oceans, ours, Russia's, China's, maybe North Korea's, constantly. And we now know they're sneaking up to the east and west coast of the United States within a couple hundred miles. How do we know that? Why do we know that? Well, I found a document inside of a budget, that the Defense Department was going to Congress for more money recently, and showed maps of precisely where these submarines, how close they were getting to the eastern seaboard.
So wait. So nuclear subs are getting within 200 miles?
Couple hundred miles. Yes, they weren't precise on the number, but when you look at the map, yep. And that's when you're talking about under 10 minutes from launch to strike.
Undetectable.
In real time, you cannot find a nuclear submarine.